Revit Electrical Analysis offers convenient tools to help you develop your design. After you add an electrical analytical bus, you can quickly copy it using the dedicated shortcut menu. Copying a bus helps you keep the new buses organized in the system hierarchy and adopts the existing nomenclature and settings. In this example, the buses are placed under the main switchboard. Easily rename the buses, assigning loads to them using the Analytical Load Tools supply from right-click drop-down menu or the Properties palette. You can also overlap loads. In this case, we will add an overlapping area for the fitness center to slightly increase the load in that area. We will follow the same process as before, using area-based load boundary lines, area-based load, add load area, and finish editing commands. To add different power densities to the same new analytical areas, you can define new area-based load types. One way to do this is to go to the Properties palette, Area-Based Load Type field, and select the ellipsis button at the right-hand side. Alternatively, you can find the Electrical Analytical Load Type settings within Manage under MEP Settings. While in this dialog, you can create and edit load types for different functional areas of the building. In this example, an additional load of 2 watts per square foot is provided for the fitness area with a power load classification. Additional load types can be created by duplicating the residential load type, one type for the equipment space and another for the common areas. The power density for the residential load will be 8.25 watts per square foot. Equipment space will be 1 watt per square foot, and the common areas load will stay at 10 watts per square foot. To apply your new analytical load types, select an area-based load, then go to the Properties palette, Electrical Loads, Area-Based Load Type. The Browse icon will open up the Electrical Analytical Load Types dialog, where you can choose your desired area-based load type. After the analytical load type is applied, you will notice the load and current update on the selected area-based load, as well as on the upstream components. In addition to viewing the electrical analytical information in the system browser, you can also use the standard schedule functionality in Revit to summarize loads and other categories of analytical elements. Revit provides you with capabilities to create detailed preliminary analytical electrical distribution systems directly within the BIM authoring environment.